In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Psyduck here in Pokemon Pokopia. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now you're going to have to create a pretty specific setup using a shower head, which of course you can craft using a crafting table with 2 iron core. You can really use any chair or any seat, and then you also need to have a liquid source, which to be honest is the trickiest part. But essentially what I'd recommend doing is building a wall first, and you can use like a wall that's already made, for example, something in the environment like this would work. And essentially what you need to do is, put a chair in front of the wall, like right here. And then of course place the shower head above it, just like so. And then get the water substitute. Something like, Bleak Beach, because it doesn't have hot spring water, could work. But find vending machines and just collect drinks daily until you get a tea. It's random. And then just drink it, release it onto the setup, and this will act as a water source and complete the habitat. And you just gotta now wait till Psyduck comes around, and that is it. That's the entire process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, feel free to ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm gonna be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.